Hey everyone, welcome to Soap Trend. We hope that everybody is doing well. We have some interesting news to share with you all in today's video. In this video, we're going to talk about 5 fun facts about Heartland, as CBC's family drama has poised to become longest running hour-long series in Canadian TV history. Do watch this video till the end to know everything. Heartland is a Canadian family comedy drama television series which debuted in Canada on CBC on October 14, 2007 and in the US on both Netflix and UPTV. The series is based on Heartland book series by Lauren Brooke and follows Emmy Fleming and her older sister Lou Fleming on their family ranch in Alberta, known as Heartland, where they live with their widowed grandfather, Jack Barlett, their father Tim Fleming, and hired farmhand Ty Borden. While experiencing the highs and lows of life at the ranch, the family bonds and grows closer over the years. With the airing of its 139th episode on March 29, 2015, Heartland surpassed Street Legal as the longest-running one-hour scripted drama in television Canadian history. In May 2020, the series was renewed for a 14th season, and on June 2nd, 2021, CBC renewed the series for a 15th season. Here are 5 fun facts about Heartland. Heartland is the longest running hour-long series in the history of Canadian television. CBC's family drama was launched so the Mother Corp could win back Sunday evening viewership. Who knew that the horsey adventures of the Fleming girls in Alberta could turn into such a Canadian institution? The show also surpassed former champ Street Legal in longevity. Cast and crew celebrated its 1000th day of filming. Producer Jody Randall of 724 Films said that the series has pumped more than $200 million into the Alberta economy. Heartland Season 8 featured some high-profile Canadian directors. When thinking of suitable directors to helm the wholesome adventures of Heartland, maverick filmmaker Bruce MacDonald may not be the first name that springs to mind. While perhaps best known for film buffs for scrappy indie road movies such as 1989's Roadkill and 1995's hardcore logo to 2008 zombie horror flick Pontypool, he is also an old hand at directing Canuck TV. Alongside veteran director Annie Wheeler, MacDonald among the more high-profile filmmakers directed episodes for Season 8. He's a director who has a very wide range, Heartland producer Jamie Paul Rock said. One of the best things about him is that he has an enormous curiosity about the world around him. That's what he brought. He was able to see this world in a way that was brand new to a lot of us out here. He just looked at those mountains and was so knocked out by them. The Oscar-nominated gay cowboy movie Brokeback Mountain had an indirect role in bringing Heartland to Alberta. The foothills of the Rocky are such an integral part of Heartland. It's easy to forget that CBC initially intended the series to be shot in Quebec. Nevertheless, CBC executives came to Calgary to meet with 724 Films, which co-produced Ang Lee's 2005 drama, Brokeback Mountain with Heath Ledger and Jake Gyllenhaal. We talked about what Alberta has and how iconic it was here, said Randall. I think that stuck with them and they were stuck with the Girl and a Horse in Quebec series. I think they put 2 and 2 together. I also credit Brokeback Mountain for Heartland ending up here. The cast has mostly remained the same. Viewers have stuck with Heartland for 14 seasons, and so have most of the principal cast. Faces have come and gone, but leads Amber Marshall, Michelle Morgan, Sean Johnston came on board for the pilot and haven't left. The only significant change came when Jessica Amley, who played Mallory Wells, departed the series in 2013. But even she has returned for guest spots. More than 50 crew members have also been on the show since it began shooting back in 2007. Their commitment to the show is really special. Amber Marshall could do a lot of different things but wants to keep doing the show. And that's the same with many of the cast. Some old characters return for season 8. Heartland's 8th season was a season of growth for the main characters. There were also characters who returned that long-term fans remembered. The character of Val Stanton, mother of Ashley, owner of Briar Reese Stables, and horse training rival of Amy returned after a few years of absence, as did her son, Jesse. Jesse appeared in the pilot episode but returned as an adult 8 years later to strike up some business dealings with Caleb, who is Ashley's ex-husband. Actor Ian Tracy also returned as Ty's former stepdad. So this much for today's video. We hope you liked it. We will deliver more news of Heartland as it comes in. We will have all the Burning Heartland spoilers, news and updates you are looking for. So visit us regularly. Thank you for checking this video out. We hope you liked it. We will see each other very soon with another video. If you like this video, give us a like and do subscribe to our channel for new videos every day. If you have anything to say, do let us know in the comment section below. We'll make sure to reply to your comments.